Hi, I'm Rushi Shah, a product manager here at YCharts. Today, I'm going to show you how model portfolios can easily communicate visual investment insights for your clients. YCharts is a great tool for not only analyzing stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, but also a basket of securities together using our model portfolios tool. You can see right here, I created a model portfolio, and within the holdings tab, I have my client's holdings. If you're an advisor, this is a great way to analyze your client's holdings and communicate a lot of the statistics with them. I can also edit my holdings from here if you're making any allocation changes as well. Now, you can also go over to the quote tab or the allocations tab and get more information. So here I have a bunch of risk, return, and allocation data. What you can do as well is if you're having a client meeting and you want to communicate a lot of this information over to them, you can click on this reports button and we have a bunch of pre-canned reports that you can use, or you can customize your own with a lot of great visuals and statistics. Once you click on it and download that report, it's going to download a PDF looking just like this with a lot of great visuals and an easy to read report that you can share with your clients. Hopefully this tool and the PDF reports in particular will really help communicate those insights over to your clients when you're meeting with them.